Welcome to today's video, you guys. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that share button. Y'all definitely hit that subscribe button. Road to 100K. That being said, happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mamacitas out there. Y'all know what it is. Enjoy y'all day to day. About to go get some food right now. We was going to go to a restaurant, but all the restaurants, you guys, right now that we're trying to go to, they are just overcrowded and congested right now. So if anything, probably me and my lady, we probably go hit something probably later on tonight. You know, later on tonight. Yeah, because it's gonna be packed all day. So yeah, we ain't trying to deal with that. So that's what my lady just told me. Just go hit one of the burger spots around here in town, and get her some breakfast and just come back home. So yeah. That being said, man, we about to drive to Mamalona right now. So y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Drive this thing around. I haven't started this thing up since Friday. Yeah, Friday was like the last day I driven this. Yep, Friday was the last time I driven this thing. Oh, by the way, somebody said somebody was right on. Yeah, y'all, I get like 8 miles a gallon. I get like 8 miles a gallon in this damn thing right now. Yeah, it's the truth. It's the truth. I feel good to be in here. I feel real good to be in here, man. You guys, the truck is running good. Sounding good. All that good stuff. Yep, there you go. Sounding real good. Heck yeah, rims are still clean. Oh yeah. Yep. All right, y'all, let's go get some food real quick. Go bring some food home. Anyway, I'm about to connect my phone to the radio. I'm about to slap some music. Right now, y'all. So let's go get some food. And let's have a good day today, y'all. Let's have a good Mother's Day today. Stay tuned. I will be going live later on tonight. Or maybe later on. Maybe in a few hours I might be going live. I might start it early. Yeah, I might start it early because I'm probably going to take advantage today. And go make some extra money later on tonight. Just to go fuck off or whatever. And go spend on my lady and everything. So, yeah, man. Right now, we're not going nowhere right now. Like I said, everywhere is going to be fucking packed and congested. We're not doing anything till later on tonight. So probably, like I said, right now, drop this quick ass video, whip the truck real quick, go get some food, fuck around, slap some music, and that's about it, y'all. Nothing too crazy today. And I still got a bunch of video clips I'm gonna cut and upload as YouTube shorts. So yeah, I got a lot of things I gotta do. So yeah, try to make this video quick, simple, and worth watching. Thank you guys very much, and let's have a good day today. Happy Mother's Day once again, man. Salute to all the queens out here. Shit, y'all make our hairs go gray, but salute to y'all. But anyway, I see you guys right now, y'all. We back out here after eating a good meal real quick. If y'all saw my community section page, y'all know I am gonna have to redo the spark plugs on here. It's not misfiring, it's not acting up, it's not acting weird, it's not doing anything like that, you guys, that y'all could possibly think of. But it has over 209,000 miles on here, I believe. So since I'm planning on keeping it long term until the wheels damn near fall off, I might as well just go ahead and replace it and pop some new spark plugs in here. The spark plugs are right here. Yeah, the spark plugs are right here. Right up under here. Yeah, right up under here. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna be kind of hard, but I think I can wiggle my way around it. You know, I don't have the heater hoses that go back to the. I don't got the heater hoses hooked up yet because I do plan on fixing the heater in here once the winter season come around. And then yeah, like I said before, I gotta get this motor re-cleaned up again. Yeah, I gotta get this motor re-cleaned up again, so that way it could look a little bit more better. But yes, I do plan on doing the spark plugs. Like I said, this week I am going out of town Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so I won't be back in town till probably like the following week or whatever. So more than likely when I get back from doing all that, let me see. Yeah, the spark plugs is right here, y'all. This is the cover that covers up the spark plugs. All you gotta do is pull these 2 bolts off, and then this comes off, and then the spark plugs and coil packs, they're right there. It's real easy it's not that hard on here. The one that's gonna be a bitch, and I know from experience, is number 3 and number 4. And then on this side, this has to come off. All this has to come off. Gotta loosen that bracket right there, pull the power steering reservoir out the way, and yeah, I'll wiggle my way around those vacuum hoses right there, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, gotta do the spark plugs on here, y'all. It's about that time anyway. So yeah, so probably when I get back from going out of town and everything, I'll go ahead and order it on Amazon and get that shit knocked out. Should take like half a day to knock this job out. And like I said, mind you, I'm doing this shit by myself anyway. So yeah, I got the tools and everything. So yeah, good thing I got tools. I think the only thing I'm probably gonna have to buy is probably the spark plug socket. That's nothing, because I don't have the spark plug socket for this particular truck. I got the spark plug socket for the 2 valve, and the 3 valve. I don't got it for the 4 valve, but I can get that from AutoZone. So yeah, like I said, y'all, this is the 4 valve 5.4. So yeah, it's not that bad of a job. I can have this knocked out like nothing. Air filter comes off. Yeah, air filter. Yeah, air filter comes off. Loosen up the bracket for the power steering reservoir. I did the spark plug, you guys, on these 4 trucks so many damn times. It's like I can do this shit in the back of my head. Is it sometimes a pain in the ass? Yes, it is. But besides that, I can knock this out in the back of my head. And then also too, I found a cold air intake on OfferUp. I found 2 prices, one for like 200 and some change, and I found another one for like about 100 and some change. So maybe pretty soon I might be getting a K&N cold air intake. Take this big ass shit out. So yeah, man, spark plugs gotta get changed, y'all. And I need this motor cleaned. Comment down below any suggestions how I can re-clean this motor, and what I need to do better. Like, let me know in the comments. Like, I'm not playing around with y'all right now. Like, let me know in the comment section. What can I do better to clean this motor? Because I don't like how the way it's looking. Yeah, I don't like how the way it's looking, man. Yeah, I don't like how the way it's looking. Shit. Transmission fluid still nice and pink. Yep. Transmission fluid still nice and pink. Yep. Other than that, y'all, besides the motor being dirty and me having to do the spark plug job on here, the truck still runs fine. It's not misfiring or nothing. From what I was told, the last time the spark plugs were changed on here before I had this truck was like about 13 years ago. That's pretty goddamn awesome for some spark plugs and coil packs to be lasting for 13 years. That's how you know. That's how you know this truck was taken care of and always kept up maintenance wise. And I still keep the maintenance up on it to this day. And that's why I believe I don't have no issues with this truck. I do the maintenance, fluid changes, oil changes, transmission service. You know what I mean? Keep gassing it as much as I can. You know, flush out the radiator every so many years. You know, just the basic ass maintenance, y'all. I told y'all it goes a long way. But I got to do the spark plugs. I'm planning on keeping this truck for as long as I can. So might as well do the right thing. Pop some brand new spark plugs in here and keep it moving. Yeah, keep it moving. Somebody burning some shit. Somebody either barbecuing or they doing the fire. They doing the bonfire or somebody's house on fire. I smell that. But yeah. But yeah, you guys, let me know the options how I can clean my engine, cause I don't like this. Like I'm thinking about going to the car wash and getting some soap or whatever that's at the car wash and spray it on the entire engine bay and just pressure wash the shit out of this damn thing. Like, I'm not playing with all y'all right now. I'm thinking about doing that. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what's my options to clean this up, because I don't like how the way it's looking. Yeah, I don't like how the way it's looking. This got to be clean, man. This got to be clean. So let me know. Other than that, wait. Everything good with the rims. Yep, everything good with the rims, y'all. Yep, everything is good with the rims. Yep, everything good, everything good. No issues with the rims. Yep, everything good with the rims. Yep, everything good, y'all. Everything all good.